Hey guys, welcome to Invest in Ideas. This is the first episode of a weekly series where I will be picking some small cap to micro cap projects that can 10x to 100x in the next bull run or even this mini bull rally that we are having. So the last video I did on this kind of coins was Bonk coin on Solana. It was a meme coin, and after I did the video, it literally 2x'd in 3 days. So that's why I want to continue making these videos. I will make one video weekly. Okay. So this is the today's project is mdb.fund. So what is MDB? Let me give you a bit of a summary what this project is about. So it is kind of a mix between a reflection token. What is a reflection token? So reflection token uses taxation. Let's say you buy $100 worth of MDB coins. Then there is a 10% buy tax. So you will only get $90 worth. And if you want to sell it, then there is a 15% sell tax. So you will again incur a 15% loss. But this total of 25% actually goes to the treasury, which again buybacks the coins. So basically, if you buy and hold the coin, so you will get the benefit of all the people that are selling the coin through the taxation. This is kind of the reflection model, which was actually popularized by SafeMoon in the last bull run. So this is one of the method it has. Another is there are a lot of income streams that this project has. And the third thing is it is kind of a ETF. It takes your money through taxation and also other revenue streams, and it invests in different projects from high risky to low risky to generate yield or APY. And that interest that it generates, it uses to buy back and burn the MDB coins. So this is kind of the summary of this project. Why I'm interested in this project, however, is its market cap. Look at this market cap. It's only $11 million. So it's not really huge. It's a small cap, micro cap project. And it is said to be that the market cap is backed 35% almost by its basically treasury. And this is why I'm interested, because the upside is quite huge. So one of the one of the problems that these kind of projects face is basically greedy founders. Most of the founders that found this kind of projects generally take money from the liquidity pool or basically scam the investors. So let's see what happens. But so there are a lot of revenue stream. The gravity sub project is kind of a revenue stream for this project. Okay, anyways, I will go over all of the pros and cons of this project. What are the technical analysis currently? When should you invest? Should you even invest on this in this project? What should be the average portfolio allocation in these kind of risky plays? So let's go to a kind of a presentation that I've made. Here I'm going to discuss some of the growth factors for MDB. So first growth factor is speculation and yield chasing. So whenever there is a bull market in the corner, everybody runs for higher yield. So in the last bull run, there was a rebasing hype. A lot of projects like Sphere, Seifu, I don't know if you have heard of them, but they basically offered crazy APYs, 1 lakh percent APYs, 1 million% APYs, and ridiculous APYs. And how did they do this? There was basically no revenue stream, almost no revenue stream. There was high taxation, and they basically did this through inflation. So if let's say there is a 10% daily APY, not daily, not APY, there is a 10% yield daily. So what they used to do is they basically increase the supply 10% more, and if the demand stays the same, the price will dump 10%. So it didn't really make any sense. It's like cutting a pizza in 4 different slices. Okay, you got more slices, but the quantity of pizza is still the same. So that's one of the problems that these projects faced at that time. So there was hyperinflation basically. So So they have solved that problem at least because of the tokenomics that this project has. There is a fixed supply of MDB coins, and it is also burned and bought back by the treasury through the trust fund that they have. Also, the team is doxed, so there can be scams. There still can be a scam, but the chances of it happening is quite less because the team has delivered till now, and it is very transparent. If you go to their Discord, you can talk about a lot of things. In a lot of these kind of projects, if you let's say question even the even slightly critically, they will kick you out or even threaten you to ban you. But I found their community a bit friendly and they talked about a lot of things. Anyways, the investment vision for this project is it's a ETF for DeFi crypto projects with some clever tokenomics. That's kind of the vision of this project when you are investing in it. So some of the features of this project is, as I told you, there is a fixed supply of 1 billion coins. There is buybacks and burns using the trust fund. How do they get money in the trust fund? It's through various revenue streams that they have generated. You can go to their white paper and read in a more detailed way. Also, there are taxes. So there is 10% buy tax and a 15% sell tax. So that also contributes to the trust fund basically. So the coin is actually deflationary. And it's not inflationary like a lot of the rebasing projects, and it has given around 600% return from its launch. So it has shown results, and even in this bear market, it has been quite resilient actually. I think it was around 60 to 70% down. So it is really resilient in this bear market. So what are the upsides of this project? The first upside of this project is it has a really low market cap, only 12 million. If there is a bull run, then these kind of projects generally go for 100 million, 200 million market caps because everybody is after the yield. Everybody wants to invest in different microcap DeFi projects. So why not invest in an ETF that will invest for you in different projects? So this is a good thing. The team is doxed. They also have disclosed how the staff is paid. The staff is actually paid by the tax 2% and 3% from buying and selling. What happened in a lot of different projects in the past is they never disclosed how they actually paid the staff, and later it was found that money was pulled out from the liquidity pool, basically from the investors' pockets, to pay the staff, and they paid whatever they wanted. But at least there is a fixed amount that they have already stated in the white paper. There are detailed reports posted on the Discord every month of their investments. So whatever the investments they are doing through their trust fund, through your money basically, they post a daily or monthly report on that, on how the investments are going, what is the yield they are generating, etc. So there is a pretty good transparency in this project that I have found. Let me show you a report first of all. So this is one of the reports that they have made for the September month. They will post the December month really soon from what I have heard. So they give a summary on what's happening, all the investments they have made, the total treasury value. Here it is $2 million. There is a 12% increase from last month. That's good. And they also invest in, I guess, NFTs. Also they themselves have NFTs, I guess, which total about $45,000, but they haven't counted it because NFTs are illiquid. So they also give a breakdown in a bar chart of the different coins they have. They also own a lot of MDB because as I told you, they do a lot of buybacks and stuff. There's a liquidity pool of MDB and BNB. They make probably money from the fees. And here are the different projects that they have invested in: Cake BNB liquidity pool, Freeway Capital, I guess, Yield Nodes, EMP Money, and etc. So you can actually completely see transparently how they're investing your money in their trust fund. So here they also give the wallet links of the different. This is the main wallet. You can go there and see for yourself what they are investing in. So that's pretty cool. And this kind of transparency generally a lot of projects do not show. Okay, so that's really good. So another upside is actually they offer really attractive yields on their website. I will show you later. That's one of the another reason. And let's go to the risks. So the majority risk in this project, one of the biggest risk, is that it is really centralized. It's not a DAO. The community cannot vote on it, on where the investments are going to go, what will be the taxation. The taxations are fixed, but they can obviously change it. A lot of projects do. They can invest in friends project through their trust fund money and all of these things. Obviously they probably won't do it, but it is always a risk in this centralized kind of projects. So that's one of the biggest risk. So let's go to the technical chart currently. So it's at 0.01547 currently. It has recovered quite a lot, 60 to 70% in this month, 1 or 2 month. And what I can see is there is a support in the this range at 0.011 range to 0.012 range. There is also a light support at $0.013 range. So I am going to buy the coin when it reaches those prices, and you can do whatever you want. It is kind of extended from its 200 MA also. So that's there. Now let's see how much yield they provide. So let's go to app.mdb.fund. You can connect your wallet, Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and then you can scroll. Here you can buy MDB by clicking on the plus sign. Now these are the yields they offer. This is MDB plus. It's kind of a stable coin, but you can also generate yield through this stable coin. So that's pretty cool. You can read all this stuff in the white paper too. And the main part which I was going to show is this MDB 90-day staking. So it is currently offering 3,875% APY, and this is only through the taxes and different revenue streams. It's not through inflation, which is pretty damn good. But I think it will obviously decrease over time, but it's still pretty good if you want to lock your MDB in this contract. This is the yield it is currently giving, but it will probably go down to 50-60%. And generally MDB, there is a, I guess, flexible one. It gives 13% APY. That's pretty cool too. So this is the first project that that I wanted to show you guys in this weekly series. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, you can buy. Not financial advice obviously. And thank you.